Welcome to Expert SCM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. Let us see a term called M4 Supply Chain. Supply chain, it's a reference model, a open standard like SCORE managed by Supply Chain Council but available generally for testing and improvement. It is a management step that are repeatable and result in the same results with the same inputs, not case study based. These are scalable, applicable to small supply chain as well as to global multi-partner extended supply chain. This model is configurable to meet multiple needs based on cultural, organizational, or other business requirements. So the process is number one, synthesize, create a strawman methodology for management based on experience and existing practitioner examples. The next process is organize, create a professional management standard committee to review, improve, and extend the strawman framework. Third one is research, review existing process in contributor companies, identify gaps in standard, and create new releases based on data. A release method to public and drive understanding through training, seminars, and coaching. So this model is something similar to SCORE, Supply Chain Operation Reference Model, now which is owned by ASEM, Association for Supply Chain Management. Thanks for watching. Bye.